Hi everyone, I hope everybody's well and excited and looking forward to Halloween on Sunday. I'm actually flying to Amsterdam on Sunday night, so I'll be spending my evening on the way to Europe and then going to Katie Sue's for a couple of days to do some preparation, and then we're driving down next Wednesday to Birmingham to Cake International, which is the world's largest cake show, where we're going to be having a Flower Pro and also Katie Sue stand at Cake International. So if you're going to Cake International, make sure you come and say hi. And I'm doing a sort of main stage demonstration on the Sunday as well, but I'll be on the stand on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so looking forward to seeing everybody and like a reunion. And then Monday, I'm driving down to Peterborough to actually to Create and Craft, where I'm going to be on Tuesday. I have two shows on Create and Craft TV. Those of you from the US, that is also available through their app on satellites. You'll be able to watch my programs later in the day as I said, on Tuesday, on the 9th, and then drive back to Newcastle and then fly home at 6 a.m. on Wednesday the 10th. Getting into Atlanta late afternoon. Then have a busy turnaround because we have our holiday open house on November 13th. And the holiday open house is obviously we've had for many, many years. And we're going to, last year we had just a sort of a drop by, literally an open house where people could drop by whenever they wanted to. But this year we're going to do a little bit more structured demonstration. So there will be as a 9 a.m. or noon start time. It's free to attend, but you do need to register, okay, because we want to make sure that there are seats available for everybody. If you please bring a mask with us just to make everybody comfortable. But as I said, it's free to attend, and as I said, it's going to be about a 2.5 hour of demonstrations, and we have light refreshments, and we will be having obviously time at the end. You can shop in the retail gallery. It's the same demonstration at 9 a.m. or at noon, and I'm very excited to have Karen Portaleo here. Karen lives in Atlanta, and Karen is going to be in the UK with me next weekend as well. And Karen is going to be showcasing her amazing new edible artist oil paints. And these can be used to obviously painting on modeling chocolate, on Karen's new sculpting chocolate, but also can be used in lots of other ways. You're painting on cookies, but you can use it as coloring for modeling chocolate. You can use it for coloring for buttercream, fondant. You can color even cake batter with it. Karen has some amazing YouTube videos on using her products. And at the Cake International, Karen will be launching her new sculpting chocolate. It's a little bit different than modeling chocolate. It's a firmer product, but we're wonderful for sculpting, and that's launching at Cake International. But Karen will give you a little sort of insight into what it looks like and how I work with it in our demonstration, and it will be available really soon here in the US. But we'll have her oil paints here available for sale, and excited to have Karen with us. And now, of course, I'll be doing a demonstration as well, showing some really great new, as I say, Flower Pro products, Katie Sue products, and some fun ideas for the holidays. So we're looking forward to that. So remember, you need to go to nicholaslodge.com, and we'll put all this information after the video, and where you just click on classes, and there you will see listed the holiday open house, either the 9 or the noon, and you can register for your seat online, or you can call us at 770-453-9449 and book your seat. All right, and so we're excited to see everybody. As I said, missed everybody, and so excited to see everybody here at our holiday open house. All right, so that's the open house. Now the doors will be open at 8:30 on the Saturday morning. So those who come into the 9 a.m. session, we said doors open at 8:30. We'll be open till 4 in the afternoon. So there'll be after the morning session and the afternoon session to obviously shop. And if you can't actually come to the open house, we will be open obviously from 8:30 till 4 on that Saturday if you want to come and see what's new and things, and just stop by and do a little retail therapy before the holidays. So then after our holiday open house, we're excited to be going back to the Omni Grove Park Inn Resort and Spa in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. I'm so excited that this year we're going to be actually an in-person competition. We have all the judges. Last year, myself and 2 of the other judges were on property, but the other judges came in by Zoom, so we judged by Zoom. And so I'm excited that all of the judges are going to be there, and also that the competition is scheduled, and everybody will be bringing their houses to the grand ballroom so everybody can see everything, and we're super excited about that. Now, a couple of things, and again, I will post this information. The deadline for your entry forms is Monday, November the 8th, so that's when you need to get your entry form in. So you've still got time to work on your gingerbread house concept to get the entry form in. The following Monday, on November the 15th, you have to present an entry photo and also a little video content. So you're just on a turntable, or just obviously turn the gingerbread house, a little video, a short video on your iPhone or your phone, which just sort of like shows us basically the details of gingerbread house. We did this last year because last year initially it was the first phase was a virtual competition, and it really obviously was wonderful to sort of see the details, and it was the next best closest thing to obviously judging in person. But also we took those videos, and a lot of the gingerbread houses were showcased and shared all over the world in sort of cookie sort of forums and platforms and cake platforms. So you had amazing exposure. So the competitors last year sort of millions of people saw their house. So it's a really good way to sort of showcase your arts and your talents. And so we're going to be doing the same this year. We also have an exciting event the day before the competition, which is going to be a sort of competitors sort of social time, meet and greet, but also all the judges will be there as well. So we're excited to see you, and we're going to have like a judges panel, and so you can ask us questions, and it's going to be a really fun time. And we have some amazing prizes sort of in my cake world. A lot of my friends have sponsored and sent things to us to take up to Grove Park, so we'll be giving away gifts on that on the event on the Sunday. So as I said, we're excited to see all the competitors in live and in person, obviously in actual Grove Park rather than on a video. So we're very excited about that. And then the competition is obviously going to be on Monday, November the 22nd. So that will be the Monday before Thanksgiving. And those of you that have asked, obviously on that Monday after the competition, they will start putting the houses around the hotel. And so they will be, as I said, able to see the houses, those who are going to be there for the competition. But it's a really wonderful time. It sort of kicks off the holiday season. And then we also have in December, so after Thanksgiving on Saturday and Sunday, November 4th and 5th, I do have a 2-day gum paste for the holidays class, doing classic gum paste flowers, poinsettias, spruce, pine cones, holly, mistletoe, evergreens. So that's a really wonderful class. So lovely to obviously use for a display, but also, of course, if you are doing a wedding around Christmas time or the early part of the year, it's a lovely element you can use. But also a lot of the things you will learn, you can use on groom's cake and rustic cakes and things as well. So all of that information is on nicholaslodge.com. And so as I said, we hope to see some of you obviously in our open house. We'll be after the open house on the 13th. I will be sort of posting some sort of images, some things, photographs of what Karen's been working on and things like that. So you get to have a little preview of what, because sadly I know some of you won't be able to come because of being so far away, but we'll try and share what we can with you during the day. So happy, obviously happy Halloween for Sunday. Take care everybody, and we hope to see you on the 13th, or as I said, at the Omni Grove Park Inn, the Gingerbread House competition, or obviously in the class in beginning of December. Take care, sweet wishes, bye.